Kazakhstan is definitely underrated at gusto ko makita at ma-experience nito in person. This is what you need to know about Kazakhstan. Number 1, isa ito sa mga visa-free countries for Philippine passport holders if gusto nyo ma-experience ang snow ng mas matagal. Dahil pwede kayo magstay ng visa-free up to 30 days. Number 2, kahit walang direct flight from the Philippines to Kazakhstan ay marami namang options like Manila to Kuala Lumpur to Almaty, Manila to South Korea to Almaty, or Manila to mainland China to Almaty. Ang ginawa namin guys ay Manila to Hong Kong to mainland China to Almaty. Number 3, ang babait na mga tao. Willing sila tumulong kahit hindi kayo magkaintindihan. Kaya tip na mag-download kayo ng Google Translate before your flight. Number 4, best months to visit Kazakhstan based sa nakausap naming tour guide ay October to May. Kung gusto nyo ng mas maraming snow ay December to January at ang pinakamahal naman daw ay February. Number 5, ang Kazakhstan ay surrounded by breathtaking mountains and beautiful nature spots. Number 6, maraming affordable activities, food, and accommodations compared to other international destinations. At tip guys, kung mag-avail kayo ng activities ay i-book nyo sa Agoda kasi mas mura. For example, ang na-book namin na one-day VIP tour sa Kolsay Lake, Candy Lake, Black Canyon at Sharon Canyon, pag direct book ay 24,000 tenge or 3,134 pesos per person. Pag sa Agoda naman ay 1,693 pesos lang. Di ba ang mura niya? Isa lang din ang provider ng tour which is Panda Travel. Take note na i-book nyo in advance kasi pag nasa Kazakhstan na kayo, ang activities ni Agoda ay nagiging get your guide unless gumamit po kayo ng VPN. At syempre, don't forget to use my promo code EVERYPASS para maka-discount pa kayo. Number 7, kung mahilig kayo sa outdoor adventures ay swak ito sa inyo kasi may canyons, lakes, hiking at marami pang iba. Number 8, kukonti lang ang tourist dito kaya mas peaceful at authentic ang experience. Number 9, kailangan nyo magdala ng travel adapter dahil Type C at Type F ang sockets nila dito. At ang last at number 10, behind ang Kazakhstan ng 3 hours sa Pilipinas. So yan lang muna for now guys. Ang Kazakhstan trip namin pala ay DIY at wala kaming agency. Kaya follow me for more tips at kung magkano ang nagastos namin, anong internet ang ginagamit ko, at ang itineraries namin about Kazakhstan. Bye!